Well, hello and welcome back to N-Scale Workshop, where we're going to be discussing ready-built buildings and things of our store, like our tools and things in the future. So we had a lot of good positive response. Matter of fact, we actually sold the N-Scale ready-built diner 1 hour after we posted the video. So we thank you for that. We thank you for the new subscribers, and we thank you for taking the time to like and share and tell your friends about us. Well, today we're going to be discussing about the N-Scale BLACKSMITHY, one of the very first buildings we actually built a long time ago or sold in our store. Our store is about 2 years old, I think it is. At least it's Lindy's store. But, but what I'm going to do is show you how I did a small time lapse basically of me putting it together and weathering it, and just to show you how easy it is, to show you how good it looks when it's done. It could be your first building for your train. It's a very popular little building, and we kind of built everything based off of that one building actually, from our, the mercantile and the jailhouse and everything else. So let me just let you watch it, and we'll put some nice music on for you, and then we'll talk to you in a little bit. Well, I hope you learned something that, how I was doing the weathering and stuff. I didn't get into much explanation, but it was kind of a fun little video to do. And it's kind of the style I do when I do my ready builds and putting the lights in. Of course, it's much more detailed and more complicated to give it the realism that we try to strive for. But would you please like and subscribe and share? Come visit our store on Etsy. We're now on Facebook, X, and Instagram, and now Lindy's thinking about going on Pinterest. So we're really trying to get the word out there that we have these really nice buildings. They look really good. They're really good prices. And like I said, Lindy's the best store person that you could ever buy a product from. She's just real super friendly, real responsive, and she loves her customers. So please like and subscribe and share. We thank you for it. Look for us in another video where we'll have something new for you to watch. Thank you.